welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be filming my Stylist Shaniqua dyeing my hair. So the colors that we used are the Pulpriot Velvet in the color Eggplant, that's the purple, and also we're going to be using the Pulpriot Sorcery in the color Indigo. So the Eggplant will go on my roots and the Indigo will be going on my ends. So I want to give a special shout out to Bella Michelle Salon and also my awesome stylist Shaniqua for helping me and letting me borrow their video equipment so that way I would be able to get the footage. So I thought that was awesome. I did bring some of my equipment, but their equipment was working way better than what I brought. So I just want to say thank you to them for doing that for me. In this clip, my stylist Shaniqua will start to add on that indigo color to the middle part towards the ends of my hair. As you can see, you will start to notice that it looks purple, that indigo, and she was a little confused, like, okay, we chose indigo, why does it look purple? So after it dries, it definitely turned into that indigo color. So if you do end up picking up that color, just know that once it dries and you wash your hair out, it will show off that indigo kind of tone. It just looks purple when you apply it on, but it will turn into that indigo color. kind of showing you right here what the side of my hair is starting to look like compared to what I had before. And of course, my son, he wanted to pop up and say hello. This is what my hair looked like before she rinsed my hair out, and this is what it looks like after she rinsed my hair out. I am completely obsessed with the color. I love it. I think she did such an amazing job, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video on how I get my hair dyed. So thank you again, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to put on your bell notifications. Thank you. Bye, guys.